Welcome to our guide on adding knowledge sources to your AI agent. This is how you fuel your agent with real relevant data. An AI agent is only as good as the knowledge it possesses. Let's see how to give it the fuel it needs. You can start by uploading various sources like documents and websites. Simply describe the role of each source to the agent. Visualize documents and website icons flying into the agent's brain icon. This is the integration of new information. For internal data, connect directly to platforms like SharePoint and Teams for seamless and continuous knowledge updates. It's crucial to define the purpose and context of the data you provide. This helps the AI understand how to use it. Defining the purpose of each knowledge source ensures the agent knows exactly what to pull from and when, leading to more relevant answers. Grounding responses means ensuring the AI's answers are based on the knowledge sources you provide, keeping responses factual and aligned with your data. Watch as the knowledge integrates. Light bulbs flash around the agent's brain as new information is processed and made available for grounding responses. This process is especially effective for grounding responses in sensitive company data, making your agent a reliable source of internal knowledge. Once the sources are added, always test the retrieval accuracy to confirm your agent is using the right information. A test query should turn into an accurate, grounded answer, proving the knowledge integration was successful. By adding knowledge sources, you transform your agent into a powerful, domain-specific tool grounded in your own data. Enjoy the power of a truly intelligent agent. This process is crucial for maximizing its performance and relevance.